How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of hiccups without water. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So here's the thing with hiccups. Not too difficult to get rid of. There are a ton of different tips and tricks to help you guys. Really recommend. First thing that you guys do is get a supplement for your hiccups. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. There are products that will help to get rid of your hiccups. Very easy, and they work very good. So highly recommend that. Next one is going to breathe into a paper bag. This works really well. So yeah, paper bag, really important. Next one's going to be, I know we talked about water, but hydration is important. You don't need to drink water. You can drink what I'm drinking right now, coffee. You can have coffee, tea, apple juice, orange juice, milk. All those, very important. Why I didn't recommend pop or anything like that is you need to avoid carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks will cause hiccups. So any pop, Pepsi, Coke, anything like that, it's carbonated, you will get hiccups from it, so avoid it. Alcohol is good to avoid too. This can cause hiccups. Spicy foods too, so avoid these. Another thing is to avoid eating too much or eating too quickly. So don't eat too much and really savor your food. Don't shovel it in. Make sure that you take a little bit of time to get rid of it. Next one's going to be managing stress. So many people nowadays are stressed, and it's because of what they are doing with their day-to-day lives. So you need to avoid stress at all costs, you guys. Really make sure, really recommend that. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.